Say bye to Santa.
Bye. Only one, possibly two.
You want to see if take the paper and put it in the garbage bag. Give me here's your card.
You guys are coming next Christmas.
Wonder what Andy got.
See those bad boys. Be good, bro.
I'm going to read it to you.
Bye, Joe. Have a good night.
Bye, Uncle Joe.
I'm going to read it to you. Dear Angelina, may magic and wonder live in your heart again this year. Merry Christmas. Love, Antoinette and Uncle Steve.
Aww. Thank you, Uncle Steve. Thank you, Antoinette.
What do you say?
I'm going to open. I know. I'm like, what am I doing? Old habits die hard, I guess.
You happy?
Julius was crying over there.
Thank you, Antoinette. Thank you.
Now he's
Feeling good.
He's not feeling
Either
good.
that or it's that he was up very late and,
Yeah.
you know. Do you like this? Oh, you can't see what it is yet. Do you want to put the paper in the bag first? Do you like it, Andy?